The human brain is, without a doubt, the most mysterious, complex, and fascinating organ in the human body. The brain explained. Find out exactly how the brain works, what the different parts are, as well as their respective functions. But first, what is the brain, and what does it do? It's the control center of the body in charge of controlling thoughts, memory, and speech. Arm and leg movements, and the function of many organs within the body. The brain processes multiple messages simultaneously through the 5 senses of sight, smell, hearing, touch, and taste. The sense of touch relies on a complex arrangement of sensory receptors that detect physical stimuli in our environment and from inside our body. Sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and savory tastes can actually be sensed by all parts of the tongue. The sense of sight is the ability of the eyes to see objects around you. Hearing, or auditory perception, is the ability to perceive sounds through an organ, such as an ear, by detecting vibrations as periodic changes in the pressure of a surrounding medium. The sense of smell, or olfaction, is the special sense through which smells or odors are perceived. The brain also determines how people respond to stressful situations. You may have heard of fight or flight, a physiological reaction that occurs in response to a perceived harmful event, attack, or threat to survival. The human brain is made up of billions of cells called neurons. Junctions between neurons, known as synapses, enable electrical and chemical messages to be transmitted from one neuron to the next in the brain.